He was born in springtime, when the sun was on the rise, in the sleepy town of Athens. But his eyes were open wide. He had the kind of laughter that could light up any room. He could always tell the flowers by the season that they bloom. And the folks in town all loved him, though he couldn't quite say why. The girls were drawn to him, but he couldn't make the time. So he packed his things one morning on a road that led out west, with a backpack full of hope and a suitcase full of best in.